Are you frustrated with your online business? Are there times when you feel like trashing your computer? The struggle is real. Most people trying to make money online can relate to this statement. Are you one of them? Do you feel like you're continually wasting time and money chasing one supposed great business opportunity after another, only to experience little or no success? Not sure what you're doing wrong? Running out of ideas? You're not alone. Most people trying to make money online are facing the same challenges that you are. What's the solution? Education. To achieve online success, you must learn and master a few key skills. No one is going to do it for you. There's no gimmicks, shortcuts, or secret formulas that will create your success. You must commit to your own education. No more hoping, no more wishing, no more dreaming. No more would've, could've, or should've. No more delays, no more excuses. Just make it happen, with our help, of course. Welcome to the Premier Marketing Academy. We have an amazing membership platform that provides our members with an abundance of marketing tools, training, and resources. Our members get all the following: excellent marketing and business development video training courses, live member training sessions conducted by online marketing experts, 24/7 access to the Premier Marketing Academy Business Center, the opportunity to collaborate with other successful members through our private Facebook group, massive ebook library, marketing software, internet marketing resources, and lots of them. Additionally, our members get a fully automated marketing system which includes replicated website, multiple capture pages, multiple sales pages, email broadcast system, built-in autoresponder emails, contact management system, and marketing tracking system. Included with every PMA membership is our amazing affiliate program that gives our members the opportunity to earn money by sharing our membership platform. As a PMA affiliate, you will earn 100% commissions on the membership sales you make. You can earn $100 to $500 per membership sale made. And our affiliates are paid instantly by their customers. As a Premier Marketing Academy member, you can earn while you learn. We know what it takes to succeed online, and we're going to make sure that you do too. Our mission here with the Premier Marketing Academy is to empower our members with the key skills necessary to build a profitable online business. Our entire membership platform is based on providing our members with high-quality, affordable marketing and business development education. The kind of education that can lead to real results. We provide our members with an abundance of online marketing training and resources so they can succeed. And we focus our education on the skills we know are necessary to achieve online success. We don't make any outlandish income claims or make unrealistic, unattainable promises. We leave that for everyone else. Instead, we focus 100% on helping our members acquire the skills and resources they need to succeed. So if you're ready to make a meaningful breakthrough with your online business, we encourage you to join today. Our members love us, and so will you. Now, speaking of our members, we have quite a few member testimonials on our website. Make sure you listen to these member testimonials so you can hear what others have to say about the Premier Marketing Academy. Make the investment that matters most. Invest in your own education and commit yourself to learning the skills necessary to build a profitable online business you can be proud of. Join our team today and be our next success story.